You're mad.
Just put our nose down here at least.
Oh, God. No, that's going to be so muddy, isn't it?
Four-wheel drive, winter tyres.
Up to you, mate, but
High suspension.
Oh, you're not, are you?
Very high. Fuck it.
Four-wheel drive.
Yep. Should we do this? Are there still sleeping policemen along here?
Yeah, but I think we're at the top. It's only sort of this end. I'm just worried how west it'll be.
We get out. Look, I'll tell you what. Let's get stuck in the mud here, right? And then pull out. I mean, it pulls. It's fucking sticky, isn't it? The car's sticky. Yeah. It's heavy and it's got wide tyres and it's sticky. Does it get narrow and am I going to get scratches on the car?
No, shouldn't you? Shouldn't do. Not this time of year. Go on, I'll be a legend.
Right. You're filming this.
Oh, God. Monk's Alley Tesla.
Monk's Alley in a Tesla.
Do you want to go back to the start then?
Yeah, fuck it. The whole of Monk's Alley in a Tesla.
Oh, God, I hope we don't get stuck.
We didn't get stuck in the bloody little Volvo. We didn't get stuck in the. Is this legal?
I remember him. Yeah, of course he is.
Byway.
Yeah,
Public
yeah.
byway. Okay, right. I'm just going to get out and do a little scene setting here. Now we are in Wokingham, and people take their Teslas in all kinds of interesting places. And I've decided to take my car down Monk's Alley here. This is a lane, it's a public byway, so you are allowed to drive down it. See? And most people would consider this to be a bridle path. Well, I'm going to take the car down Monk's Alley. There she is. Mud, narrow, full of water. Let's just hope we don't get stuck, because I'm going to be a real embarrassment to myself and a laughing stock if I do. So here we go. Oh God, authentication required. Am I mad?
Yeah, totally.
Totally
mad.
Right, well, we've got in. You can see the alley in front of us. As you can see, I've put the suspension height on the dash to very high, because I don't want to ground out and damage the battery.
Nail it.
No, we're going to take this nice and steady, because I don't think I'm going to get stuck. I can get out. I've got four-wheel drive and winter tyres on, plenty of grip, so let's go for it. I might have to wash the car afterwards, but you can see some cars have been down here recently. Oh my God, look at the mud there. It's been wet. Oh God, am I going to get stuck in this?
No, you better go upside.
You reckon?
Yeah. Well, the screen's just come off, B.
What's come off? It's gone off. Yeah, it'll stay on, don't worry. Oh shit, it's trying to put me in the ditch. It's trying to put me in the fucking ditch.
God.
We're sliding around all over the bloody shop.
Crabbing your way through there.
Yeah. Am I completely mad? I am completely mad, aren't I?
Just hope it don't get too much.
Just keep moving. That's what you got to do. You got to keep moving.
Keep them up. Oh, you must have some ground clearance on this. Shapes.
That is.
Fuck's sake. Careful. Fucking hell. Oh, God. Fucking hell.
That's horrible there. We could get ourselves in a whole lot of trouble, couldn't we? At least we're going down. Oh Steve, what have I done? What have I done? Can I get back? Yeah, I can.
We're going to reverse.
Yeah, I'm going to go back out.
I think you bloody through them.
No, look at the hill.
Yeah, but I think it's easier that side.
Oh shit, what have I done today? I feel sick.
Don't panic.
No, I actually feel sick.
Go and be sick then. Should we get out and wreck
No,
it?
I'm gonna go up here. Oh no, it wants to go to the left. I don't want to go into a tree or anything, do I?
No, yeah, we're going to a tree.
Let's get myself back together. Let's go back. We can always go back.
Yeah.
Shit. No, we're burying it, aren't we? We're fucking burying it. That's spinning. I can't put the wheel in there, I'll ground it. I can't put the wheel in there, I'll ground it.
Okay, just
I've got too much right lock on.
Just keep it slow.
If I go in there, I'm dead. If I go in there, I'm actually finished. need to get through here. Once we're through here, oh shit, the left rear. Okay, all right. Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go driving, slip start,
Creep.
chill. We're through. Aren't we? We're through it.
What can we do?
We're through it. As long as we stay in the ruts, we'll be all right. Keep it up, so we've got to film it. Okay, we got through.
That was a bit dodgy through there.
That was very dodgy through there, yeah, and it's very deep here.
Can you get on the...
I want to get on there, but I don't want to do it. No, I can't get out now. I'm in it. I'm in the fucking rut. I'll just go really slow.
Mustn't have some ground.
Well, I put put it up. I put it right up.
Can't believe it's not just grounding.
If you're in the ruts, you'll get pulled along the ruts, won't you? So you just keep it in the ruts and keep it rolling. Pull that up as high as you can. Obviously not into the screen. Shit. Okay, right, I'm slowing down. Do you see the water there?
Shit.
Do you see the water there? Do you see it in front of us?
Yeah.
You can go up to the centre of the hubcaps, apparently.
Fucking hell.
I'm going to move it. I'm just going to have to, aren't I?
I guess so.
Keep it rolling.
Fucking hell.
We had to,
Had to, mate. Yeah.
Had to. That's not so bad now. Oh shit.
Well, this is quite a serious off-road vehicle if you can get...
Do you remember the trouble we had in all the other cars we've done through here?
Well, that's the worst conditions I've ever been up and down there, isn't it?
It's going to need a wash now.
Shit. Doesn't look too bad up here.
Oh. We've got to keep it moving.
Careful of that thing.
Yeah, I can see it. Fucking hell, that was deep. Just keep it rolling. Oh, that's muddy. That is proper muddy. Oh shit, that's my fucking hell. Got to keep it rolling. I've got to keep it moving. That's better. We're out to the worst of it. Okay, we'll get up the hill now. That's not going to be a problem.
Unbelievable.
Shit, this isn't too good.
Unbelievable.
Got to slow down. Keep it rolling. So I put it in chill mode to reduce the torque, and I put it in slip start so we could spin the wheels and push ourselves out. And we've got through that reasonably well. Slow down. Now these are people's houses, aren't they?
Yeah, that's right, we're fine now.
So these are people's drives. We've done it. That's Monk's Alley near Wokingham in Binfield.
After the wettest autumn
of all time, yes. And we've done it. We're out. There's the road.
Unbelievable, Uncle Burl.
Oh, I felt sick back there. I really, really did. Is this a tool or what? It's back down that way now, isn't it?
You're right, yeah.
Yeah, it's your dad's, isn't it, down there? Okay, let's go.
I think a Land Rover would have made heavier weather than that. Jeeps. That's mad, mate. That is completely mad.
Am I mad for trying it? Are you impressed?
Very impressed, yeah. Very impressed by your bottle as well.
When we started sliding, I felt sick because it's a £100,000 car, isn't it? You put a dent in it, it's going to be off the road for 6 months while they get the parts in. Let's just take slip start and
no, fair play to you,
off, standard, and slip start off, and we'll get the hose out, shall we? When we get them, let's get the mud off the wheels anyway.
Phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal.
And now it's a bloody GT car again. It is. It's a GT car, isn't it?
Yeah, you ought to put that on your YouTube thing.
I will.
Yeah, because that was pretty. Oh.
That was dodgy in a couple of places, and going through the water as well.
Yeah,
you don't know what's under there.
Don't know
what's under there. Well, actually, I'm surprised how little mud we got on this. It's reasonably clean. I did come down the road at a speed to get the tyres cleaned off. It's not too bad, really, is it? I don't suppose we got really much above here in terms of water. And they say you can go up to the centre of the hubs, and I raised the suspension as well, so this side's a bit worse. No scrapes or scratches, luckily. She survived Monk's Alley